gals and gents, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button right now. I'll give you time. And if you're old, welcome. Today is a very special day. I am officially 2 years in my lock journey. If you was here from day one and you watched the first video, which I'll link up to the top and drop down in the comments here, this video is going to be about a long overdue retwist, wash and style plus a lock update. I have so much to tell y'all. I can't wait to get into it. For everybody who's new, I've been locked from July 2019, so I'm officially 2 years and 5 months. I have 75 locks, or had. See, I tell y'all I have some stuff to tell y'all. Let's talk about the 2 years, okay? I've experienced within my 2-year lock journey, I've seen dramatic, I mean dramatic length. It's like every other month, my strand will go from here to here to here. I'll pull one out right now. Look at that. And it's still curly because I have 2 strand splits in, but as you can see, this is what we're working with in the front, so you know. Last time I was talking to y'all, my hair was up here. I don't know if that fixed right, but whatever, so let's get it. Listen, between lint and dandruff in this 2 years, I feel like I was in a battle, because if it wasn't one thing, it was the next, and if it wasn't the next, it was this 2 years lock journey. I've experienced some lint. When I tell you it was irritating me, it was irritating me. It irritated me to the point where I actually started digging inside one of my locks. I'll put a picture right here. I started digging inside of one of my locks and actually taking it out to see exactly how it looks. And you know, once you start taking something out, you keep bothering with it. Like it is fascinate you. So it started fascinating me. So I did it to a few, which caused, you know, breakage within my locks. So I did got a few of my locks joined together, but thankfully I got everything resolved. I'll show you guys. I got the buildup removed.
And that's what it was clear away.
We did a detox for the build-up. As for the lint, I joined some together. So when I did the detox, it basically removed all the stuff that was in the lock. So now my lock's very healthy. I'll have to do an updated lock count. Then guess with growth comes dandruff, because I never had dandruff in my life. Experienced it. I never had it. I say this to say this. I mean, some products what I was using from my first started, I cannot use anymore, because as soon as I pop back in my hair, I'm noticing dandruff. Products as in when time for me to retwist. For the dandruff, I got some natural products. I'm using the neem oil. Let me see if I got it. Yes, so I got this oil. It's named the neem leaf oil. Okay, as soon as I apply this and I wash my hair with the tea tree shampoo, gone. I tested it for a month and it worked. So it's like, okay, let me keep trying it out and let's see what's going on. One lady in the Bahamas grew this in the backyard and she sell them, so I had to jump on the bandwagon. Applying to my hair daily, about 3 times a week. Keep trying to keep it as natural as possible, just oils. I'm still doing the hot oil treatments. I do it every 3 months. I believe that's what's contributing to my growth too, you know, because this growth was no ordinary growth. It was shooting up fast and it's still growing. I'm also learning about hair accessories such as rubber bands. I am a rubber band girl, so now I can't I'm trying to stop using rubber bands but as my daily routine. So what I'm doing now is I'm basically using scrunchies on my locks because they are growing so much and it's not in the start lock phase anymore. The rubber bands are not working for me. As far as I can say, for the 2-year lock journey, I've seen growth. I had my challenges. As you guys can see, if you didn't catch my 1-year dreadlock journey, I think you guys should catch it because it's very interesting. You guys will see exactly what I went through from day one. Now for the fun part, let's jump into my maintenance routine that I do every 3 months or 2 months. Okay, so yeah, I have some photos for you guys. You guys can see. I think it's about 55. Okay, you guys, so that wraps up the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. It was very fun updating you guys. As you can see, I had my obstacles and I had my growth. Vlog journey growth is a process. You really have to stick to your journey.